Hello! Today, I'll teach you how to use Coolpo AI Huddle Mini's Target Master. First, plug the power and data transmission cables. To fully enjoy the AI and non-AI features of the device, please download Coolpo Tools. Go to www.coolpolens.com. Go to Demo and Support and click on Product Support. Under Product Releases, choose Coolpo Tools for Windows or Mac. Select Mode Switch and click on Target Master. Make sure gesture recognition is enabled. During your meeting, raise your palm close to your face. Make sure your fingers are spread apart and that your palm is parallel to your face. Keep still for 4 to 5 seconds. The AI Huddle Mini AI algorithm will detect the gesture and activate presenter mode. This allows the presenter freedom of movement within the Mini's field of view. It is activated when you see the picture-in-picture frame at the bottom of the frame. The same person must repeat the gesture to deactivate presenter mode. And that is how we use AI Huddle Mini's Target Master with gesture recognition. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit the notification bell down below to see our future videos.